There are two ways you can create an ebook to sell on your Stan Store. I'm going to teach you those two ways. One is going to be in minutes and the other one will take a little longer, but it's completely free. Let's get started. If you are running low on time and you really don't have time to sit down and write an entire manuscript, you need Designer. What you're looking at right now is a software that I use that will actually produce an ebook for you in minutes. It's powered by ChatGPT and it's something called Word Genie. This is a tool that will generate an ebook for you from beginning to end. And I actually have a video on this as a step-by-step showing you how you can use this software. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the link down below. If you already have a manuscript, you can go ahead and upload it here. And what's cool is that if you already have a blog, you can actually click, copy and paste your URL, put it here, and it can actually grab your blog post and compile them together into an ebook that you can go ahead and sell as a lead magnet and on your Stan Store. I'm not going to go into detail on how to use this software, but I do just want to give you a little sneak peek of how this works. I'm going to go ahead and click on preview here. And what this does, as soon as this software is completely done with your book, you already have your chapter by chapter breakdown. You have your introduction and all the content within your book is already here. It's done for you. And if you notice, it's actually on a template. So it will create the template for you, which makes it so easy if you want to sell an ebook. This is basically a PDF document that you can sell as an ebook on your Stan Store. That's one way to write your ebook for your Stan Store. Now, if you want to go ahead and do it the free way, then allow me to show you. And the free way, of course, is by using ChatGPT. And what you can do here, the best way to start is with what? An outline. So you're going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT, write an outline for an ebook about homeschooling. Let's say it's about homeschooling kids in 2024. A short ebook. Or we can even do a 5-chapter ebook about homeschooling kids in 2024. Perfect. I think that's great so far. And there you have it. Now you have an outline to work with. What you're going to do is you're going to use this outline. Of course, you're going to make it your own. Once your ebook is already ready, then all you have to do, once you've done the writing part, of course, you've already completed, you've done the writing, you've fleshed everything out, it's been edited, then you head on over to Canva and you're going to go ahead and create a template for your ebook. If you want me to produce a step-by-step tutorial on a specific video, a personalized step-by-step tutorial just for you for the book that you are trying to create, go ahead and check out my Stan Store where you can actually book a step-by-step tutorial that I can create for you based on your request and your needs. Check it out and back to the video. Something to keep in mind that I see a lot of my clients that I work with for my ghostwriting services is that they're always asking me, oh, but who's actually going to do the printing? Who's going to print this ebook? And that's the beauty of ebooks. They are PDF files. And sometimes I feel like it's very hard for it to compute. Technically, an ebook is a PDF file that people can access. So that's what we're going to do here. You're selling an ebook, so you're selling a PDF document. Let's head on over to Canva so that we can start creating our template. Let's say you use this outline, you wrote each chapter for this book. Now you head on over to Canva. We're going to create a design. Remember, it's a PDF document, so the dimensions, it's really up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and use a 5 by 8 inches. This is an ebook. This is your own ebook that you can sell on your Stan Store. So what does that mean? Your ebook can be 5 pages, 7 pages, 20, 100, you name it. And actually, the shorter, the better, because it will guarantee that someone will actually read it. So now what you do is you create a template. You put here, let's say it's an ebook. So you can choose from the many templates that are here. As a matter of fact, go ahead and if you really do not know how to create a book cover, go ahead and go to the description down below. I have prepared for you customizable templates that you can just go ahead and download, access, and begin to modify for your ebook. But let's go ahead and use something like this right now, the power of habit. But for us, it's homeschooling, right? So according to this example, it's about homeschooling. I think this is better. So we're going to go ahead and add the name, the title of the book, Homeschooling in 2024. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to learn how to go ahead and make templates, all you have to do is head on over to a video that I just published I think a week ago, about how to design book covers. Okay, learn how to approach the homeschool journey. Great. So now you have this is going to be the first page of your ebook. Then you're going to go to the next page and you're going to just copy and paste. Let's say, for example, let's say you have already done the writing process. So you're just going to go ahead and copy and paste it into your template. And the easiest way that you can do this is, I'm just going to do this quickly so that you have an idea. This is going to be your title page. Just like a book, you can add the copyright page as well. And then you're going to add another page, and then you can use and you can add your introduction, just an example. You can add your introduction, and then you can add the content here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste some content so that you could get to see what I am doing here. And then you're going to go to the next page and you're going to add chapter 1. Chapter 1, or the name of the chapter. Let's see, the name of the chapter is, let's say, planning your homeschooling journey. So, well, or something like that. You know what I'm saying. Planning your homeschool journey. So that's going to be your second. And then this is going to be your title for the second chapter, and so on and so forth. This looks really ugly right now, but I guarantee if you give it some time, you can go ahead and customize it and make it look extremely nice. And you can even add some elements such as kids. You can go to graphics, maybe add some kids in the bottom, add some graphics to your pages. You can even include some, I'm not sure, like activity ideas for homeschooling families. You can design the interior template by adding something like this. Let me just give you an example so that you know what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and add a color. It could be yellow. So you can do this. And then you can add that border in each of the pages. So all you would need to do is just continue to duplicate, and you just continue to add content. You could really make this your own. We're going to pretend that this file that we have created as your ebook is already complete. So we're just going to go ahead and click share, download, and we're going to download it as a PDF print or PDF standard, whichever one you'd prefer. Usually PDF print is best for printing, so it's all up to you. I usually use PDF print. So we're going to go ahead and download this PDF document. And this is exactly what we're going to upload onto our Stan Store. Let's head on over to the Stan Store. Right now, you are looking at my Stan Store. And in the last video, I taught you how you can create an online course and how to upload your videos onto Stan Store so that you can produce that course. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add the product for your ebook. So we're going to click here on Add Product. And then where it says digital product, this is a PDF document that people can access and download. So that's what we're going to click on. We're going to click on digital product. And then here you can add this button where it says download now, which is perfect. And we are going to add an image here to the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and choose an image. And by image, I'm going to choose the picture for the front of the book, of the ebook. So we can do that. I'm going to choose that image, and which, by the way, it's a terrible image, but just for the sake of this example, I'm actually going to create another video where I will teach you how to create those thumbnails that are going to go within your Stan Store. Okay, so now we added an image, and now here it says download. You can actually add something else here. Download ebook, download now seems fine for now. We're going to click on next. And here you can choose an image to go in the background. It can be something like this or something, of course, something that's relating to the ebook. Let me just choose this for the sake of this example. And then it says get my template. This is where you will add exactly what you are selling. Get my ebook today. And then here you're going to actually, just add a little bit of the description of what this ebook is about, the takeaway, the main takeaway of what people will be learning in your ebook. Then it says get my guide, or you could put get my book, whichever one you'd like. Then you have the call to action button where it says purchase. And then you're going to set the price as soon as you connect your PayPal account or you connect your Stripe account. And then in the bottom is where you collect information. You can go ahead and add other fields. But for now, we're going to leave it as this. And then here it says upload your digital product. That ebook that we created, whether you use Designer or you used Canva, this is where you would upload that file. You go ahead and download that PDF file. And guess what? Once you click on publish, that's it, my friends. Your ebook is now ready to be purchased. You're going to see here on the right hand side where I have the online course that I created in the last video. And then now we have that download button. And that's exactly how you can create your ebook, whether it's using Designer or ChatGPT and Canva. You put it together into a PDF file. And guess what? You put it here on your Stan Store, ready to be sold. I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and click on the link below. Start working on your Stan Store. And if you have any questions, any comments, go ahead and put them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.